everyone, Bryan here with Anita Good Design, and today I'm here to talk to you about our largest compendium we've ever released for Christmas, which is our greatest hits. So we've taken 6 of our best collections that we've come out with over the years, the most popular, with a variety, meaning we have some quilts, we have some projects, etc. Put them all into this compendium called the greatest hits. And in here, you're not only going to find the 6 projects that we put in this compendium, but you're also going to find our brand new one, exclusive to this extra large release called Festive Fonts. So I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites, but I know a lot of you might be thinking it's getting really close to Christmas. I haven't done anything yet, or maybe you don't really have much to do on the software side. We've already done all the hard work for you. We've put everybody's favorites right here so that you can stitch them out and have them done by Christmas. So to kind of dive in and show you some of my favorite things, I'm going to start with our Festive Fonts. Now, when I do events, one of the biggest questions I always get is, when are we going to be coming out with more fonts? At first it was, when are we going to come out with fonts? And after Anita's fonts, we started coming out with other themes. So this is thematic, obviously, to Christmas. We used gold metallic threads, which added to the theme of Christmas, as well as green and red metallic on there as well. You get the uppercase letters, the lowercase, so you can arrange them and use them for whatever you like, whether it's a saying, whether it's going into a quilt block, whether it's going onto a little gift bag as well. It can all be there, which brings me to the next design I'd like to bring up, which are our holiday gift bags. These we did in felt. They're fun, they're easy to do. They come in multiple sizes, so you can do like the small one that I have here. Maybe you have a gift card in there or a couple small gifts. On the back, you've personalized it with the person's initials, so now it's special to them. Or you don't do that at all, then take it back from them so you can reuse it next year. But there's a lot of different sizes for it, so you can see here that you can put larger gifts in them. You can do ones like I mentioned for smaller gifts. And they all have cute faces with multiple different characters, so that you can personalize it however you see fit. Next is one of the most popular collections we've ever released for Christmas, Christmas Classics. Now, when I first started, this was a huge deal. So we've taken in this collection not only a vintage aesthetic to the artwork, but we've taken classic verses from the Bible. We've taken different song lyrics or poems, etc., used those words and formed them in a way that creates the design elements that you see. So it not only brings a new approach to decorating for Christmas, but allows people to enjoy the visual aesthetic and read whatever you decide to have inside it. There's a ton of options, and this is just a small taste of it. Now, finally, one of the other things I would like to show you, because you're more than welcome to go on our website right now, you'll see that it is, instead of $600, only $250 for you right now to get. You'll get the hard book sent to you, the one that I was showing you, with all the tutorials, almost 300 pages of content, hundreds and hundreds of designs. You'll have plenty to do. But the final thing I want to show you is Dear Santa. Every time I do events and I put these samples out on the table, people can't believe that this is actually all just embroidery and applique to create these really cool envelopes. Lots of different sayings on here, like, please say hi to Mrs. Claus for me. Sorry, my fiance. And kindly delivered to the North Pole, attention, St. Nicholas. Lots of sayings on here, even if you've got a fan of dinosaurs, you can customize it for them. Different themes, you have gingerbread to Santa, the North Pole. We have pot holders that you can make, because our pot holders are made of quilt blocks, so you don't have to learn anything different. You can use Christmas classics. You can take one of the quilt blocks, any of the particular designs, and actually follow the video tutorials we have on our YouTube page, so be sure rather to check that out. Make sure you go there, like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and then find our pot holders. You'll learn how to turn any of those quilt blocks into a pot holder to customize and create it for you. So I hope that you will go online right now, get this, download it. You can get the tutorial digitally to start today and start looking through it, and look forward to that hard book coming to you, because this also makes a great coffee table book for Christmas time, I think. Once again, this is Bryan with Anita Good Design. Be sure to tag us on social media and show us the designs you do with the greatest hits for Christmas by Need a Good Design.